Hello everyone, welcome back to day 2 of our Zero to Pro Hacker series. In the last video we talked about what is Termux and what is hacking. Today we learn top 10 most important basic Termux commands every beginner hacker should know. I will explain each commands one by one, what it does and when it is used, and show you a simple example too. Okay, let's begin. Command 1, pkg update. This command is used to update the list of available tools in Termux. Think of it like refreshing the store so that Termux knows what's new. Example, just type pkg update and press enter. It will check for updates and prepare Termux to install tools. Okay. Command 2, pkg upgrade. This command upgrades the tools and packages you already have. Let's say you installed something last week that's Jetfisher. This will upgrade it the latest version. Just type pkg upgrade, press Y when it asks for confirmation. Okay. Command 3, pkg install git. This command install git which load other tools from GitHub. Most hacking tools are stored on GitHub, so git is a very important example. Type pkg install git. Okay, then use git clone etc example github download github.com to download a tool. Okay. Command 4, Termux setup storage. This command gives Termux permission to access your phone's files and folders. Without this, Termux cannot reach your internal storage. Type Termux setup storage. You will see a pop-up. Just press allow. Now Termux can write files in your SD card folder. Command 5, cd. This stands for change directory. It lets you move between folders inside Termux. Okay. Example, cd downloads moves into the downloads folder. cd space $dot goes back one level. cd tool folder goes into a space folder. Command 6, ls. This command shows you what files and folders are inside the current directory. It's like opening a folder and seeing what's inside. Just type ls, you will see a list of files. One details use ls space minus la. Okay. Command 7, chmod space plus x filename.sh. This command gives permission to run a file, especially script files like .sh. Without this command, the script won't run even it is good. Example, chmod space plus x install.sh. Now the install.sh script is executed. Okay. Command 8, bash filename.sh. This command runs a script written in bash language. Most hacking tools have install or start script and they use bash. Example, bash install.sh. It will run the installation script and start installing the tool. Okay. Command 9, apt install python. This command installs Python, one of the most powerful language for ethical hacking. Many Termux tools are written in Python, so it's a must. Okay. Just type apt install python. Later to run a tool, python toolname.py. Okay. Command 10, exit. This command simply close Termux. When you are done, just type exit to safely leave the terminal. Okay. Let's quickly repeat all the commands. 1, pkg update package list. 2, pkg upgrade installed packages. 3, pkg install git to download tools. 4, Termux setup storage, access internal storage. 5, cd change directory. 6, ls list file. 7, chmod plus x give script permission. 8, bash run script. 9, apt install python. 10, exit close term. This command are the foundation of Termux hacking. From day 3, we'll start installing real hacking tools using these commands. If you found the helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and comment. Day 2 complete. This is your code